If you are planning to sell your PC, fix Windows problem, or simply want a fresh start, then factory resetting Windows 10 is one of the best solutions. I will show you three different ways to reset Windows 10. First, we will reset it directly from the settings app. Then I will show you how to reset it using advanced startup options. And finally, if you cannot sign in to Windows 10 at all, I will show you how to access the recovery environment and reset your PC from there. So let's get started. Now let's start with the first and easiest built-in method to reset this PC. In your Windows search bar, type setting and open it up. In the setting menu, scroll down and go to update and security. On the left bar, click on the recovery option. At the top, you will see reset this PC option. Click on Get Started. Now here you have two options. The first option that will keep your personal files and remove apps in the settings. The second option that will remove everything from your PC. I will select first option here. After that, you will be asked whether you want to use the cloud download or the local reinstall. Cloud download downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft, while local reinstall uses the Windows files already stored in your computer. Choose the option you prefer, review the information, and finally click Reset. Windows will restart and begin the factory reset process. If you prefer using the Windows recovery environment, or if the normal reset option isn't working for you, now this second method is a great alternative. Just navigate to the same settings menu and then the recovery option. You will see advanced startup here. Go ahead and click on restart now. Once your PC restarted and open up the recovery environment, you will see troubleshoot option that says reset your PC and see advanced option. Click on the troubleshoot and here you have reset this PC option. Click over it. Again, we have the same option that says keep my files or remove everything. You want to keep our files, and if your PC restarted again and asking you to log in with the account, that's fine. Select the account, enter the password, click continue. Now you have an option to reset your PC either from cloud or the local reinstall. Now just go ahead, follow the instruction and Windows will reset your PC. Now let's go with the method 3. If you cannot log into your Windows, you can still reset your PC using the recovery environment. On many systems, you can access it by turning on the computer while holding the shift key until the recovery screen appears. Once you are in recovery, click See Advanced Repair option, then select Troubleshoot. Next, click Reset this PC and then choose either Keep My Files or Remove Everything and then follow on screen instruction to complete the reset process. If this startup method doesn't work on your particular computer, you can also access the same recovery option by booting up from a Windows installation USB and selecting Repair Your Computer. And that's how you can factory reset Windows 10 using three different methods. Whether Windows is working normally, you need advanced startup menu, or you can't even sign in, these methods will help you to reset your PC safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.